Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith, and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, April 17. Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips will tell the country Thursday how the $520.9 billion budget for this fiscal year will be funded. Minister Phillips, who tabled the budget on April 4, will open the 2013-2014 budget debate with his presentation this week. It follows a thorough perusal of the estimates of expenditure by the Standing Finance Committee of Parliament on April 9 and 10. Opposition spokesman on finance Audley, Science, Technology, Energy and Mining Minister Philip Holwell, and opposition spokesman on tourism and travel service development Edmund Bartlett will contribute to the debate next week. They'll be followed by opposition leader Andrew Holness on April 25 and Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller on April 30. Dr. Phillips will close the budget debate on Wednesday, May 1. Government has signed a bilateral investment treaty with the KUWAIT government to establish the parameters to guide investments in Jamaica. Industry, Investment and Commerce Minister Anthony Hilton signed the treaty on behalf of the Jamaican government on April 1. The signing came during a government private sector mission to the Middle East earlier this month to promote the Jamaica Logistics Hub.
The treaty guarantees fundamental protection and the fair treatment of investors from both countries, and also provides companies the legal standing in dispute settlement matters. This treaty bodes well for Jamaica's efforts to encourage investments from Kuwait.
Minister Hilton says the Kuwaiti Minister of Finance has also indicated interest in signing a double taxation treaty with Jamaica. Meanwhile, Minister Hilton says the 7-member mission he led to the Middle East recently was a phenomenal success and generated significant interest in Jamaica's logistics hub plans. The delegation met with a number of influential players in Kuwait and the United Arab Emirates, particularly in aviation, logistics and financing. Minister Hilton says the meetings with Agility Logistics in Kuwait and Dry Dock World Dubai and DP World in Dubai were particularly fruitful.
Both DP World and Dry Docks World Dubai have committed to send delegation to Jamaica in the coming months to further discussions of the potential partnership.
The Industry, Investment and Commerce Minister says a draft MOU between Dry Dock Dubai and the Jamaican government will also be developed, addressing potential partnership in the development of the logistics hub. The Office of the Chief Medical Officer has launched an investigation into reports that the Bureau of Standards Jamaica BSJ has found high bacterial load on samples of at least 4 brands of household toilet tissue. The Health Ministry says its investigation will also probe the reported gynecological incidents that sparked the BSJ testings. Further, the Ministry's public health mechanism will be responding immediately to remove the suspect tissue brands from the shelves to mitigate possible public health risks. In the meantime, the Ministry has provided a list of 24 tissue brands that have passed preliminary BSJ tests. It includes 6 brands made in the United States, 2 from China and 16 from Jamaica. A list of 5 hand towel brands that have passed microbiological tests has also been made public. And finally, His Royal Highness Prince Michael of Kent has lauded Jamaica on its many achievements, saying that despite the country's size, it has done tremendously well on the world stage. Prince Michael was speaking on Tuesday following a tour of the Sir John Golding Rehabilitation Centre, which treats persons with varying conditions affecting the skeletal system. He praised the staff for their work and cited Jamaica's outstanding performance in the Olympics and other areas as being among a long list of achievements.
The quality, the drive you have here in so many areas, not only in sport but in the road safety initiative, have been really quite exceptional.
The Prince, who's an avid road safety advocate, arrived in Jamaica on Monday as the special guest for the National Road Safety Council's 20th anniversary celebrations. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.